Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're excited to share with you the best mini graham cracker crust pie shells on the market, the Keebler Ready Crust Mini Graham Cracker Pie Crusts. If you're a dessert lover, these little crusts are a game changer for your baking adventures. These Keebler Ready Crust Mini Graham Cracker Pie Crusts come in a convenient pack of 3, each weighing 0.71 ounces. Whether you're whipping up a quick dessert for a gathering or indulging in a midnight snack, these crusts are the perfect solution. Imagine this: creamy chocolate mousse, luscious fruit tarts, or even a classic mini cheesecake. The possibilities are endless. The graham cracker flavor adds a delightful sweetness and buttery crunch that perfectly complements any filling. Now, let's take a closer look at the ingredients. These crusts are made with enriched flour, graham flour, and palm oil, ensuring that you get a quality product that's both delicious and easy to use. Each crust is designed for convenience, so you can skip the hassle of making your own from scratch. One of the best things about these mini pie crusts is their versatility. You can fill them with anything from whipped cream and fresh berries to custard and chocolate ganache. They're perfect for potlucks, birthday parties, or simply when you want to impress your friends and family with minimal effort. And let's not forget about the cleanup. Using these pre-made crusts means less mess in the kitchen, allowing you to enjoy your desserts without the added stress of extensive cleaning afterward. Delicious. The crust is sturdy yet light, holding up beautifully to all kinds of fillings without falling apart. Trust me, once you try these, you'll wonder how you ever baked without them. So, if you're looking for a convenient, tasty, and versatile pie crust solution, the Keebler Ready Crust Mini Graham Cracker Pie Crusts are definitely worth considering. With their delightful flavor and perfect size, they make dessert preparation a breeze. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and culinary tips. Let us know in the comments what you would fill these crusts with. Until next time, happy baking!